what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I have both the base box and my premium. I am a monthly subscriber, so I do both boxes every single month. I do believe the base box is $25 a month, and then the premium is $35. Honestly, I prefer Boxycharm over Ipsy, not even gonna lie. So, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my June box, you're in the right place and just keep watching. Okay, so this here is my base box, and here's my card. As you see, it is open, so I have been trying out some of the things that I got in this box. So, in this box, we have the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash, and it retails for $24. I have been using this and trying it out. Honestly, I had higher hopes. It doesn't like make a dramatic difference or any of that. To be honest, I don't even know if my skin's really clean after I use it, but so this is what it looks like. As you see, I've been using it, so a little bit is gone. Not a whole lot, but you know. So this retails for $24. And I feel like, Kylie, you could do better. I'm just saying. Next is the Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio. And it retails for $24 as well. And this is what it looks like right here. Take the plastic off. This is what it looks like. So, I have not touched any of these, but I am curious to see how well they work. I just recently started cream contouring, so it's still real new to me. Okay, real new. But I hear great things about Laura Geller. I don't go out of my way to buy any of the items from their line, but this is a really pretty, and the blush is really pretty, the highlight looks really pretty, and honestly the contour shade looks pretty good as well. I don't want to swatch it just because I don't have any makeup wipes or anything over near me, so sorry about that. This is what it looks like up close again. Next is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. I have used this once or twice. It feels really cooling, but I don't feel like it's a dramatic change with my eyes, or, well, it says eye balm. I guess you could put it just there, but I put it on my eyes, under my eyes, and right here as like a highlight because it does glow. So this is what it looks like. It is this baby blue packaging. As you see, it's kind of used a little bit, but you do get a good amount of product in here. Let me just put that back down for the bitch doesn't want to go back down. I'll just put a little bit right here, blend it so it doesn't look like I just drew a line on my face. And because I have eyelashes on, I'm not going to put this on my eyelids right now, but I'll put it under there. So, you know. Oh, I just stuck that in my nose. It doesn't really have a strong smell or anything like that, but I definitely think I should keep on trying this. So, yeah, I can't really give you a whole good, you know, review on it yet. The next thing in here is this Cap Cosmetics Lip Duo, and it is in Charming? Yeah, Charming. I actually already did film my base box video. However, I accidentally deleted the footage, so yeah, we're gonna just act like we don't know, you know? So this is the packaging. And it comes with a liquid lip and a lip liner. and they look like this. It's real pretty packaging, real sleek. The shade looks real pretty. I don't remember how it looked when I swatched it, to be honest with you. Here is the lip liner. They don't look the same, but I mean, you know. So we're just gonna do a little line. Whoop, that's real pretty though. I really like this color. I don't really think pinks and purples and stuff like that look good on me. I think I'm more of like a nude or brown type of gal, but it is very pretty. And I don't know if this is a liquid lipstick or if it's a lip gloss. It's a lip gloss, so it will not dry. This is what they look like right here. And I'm sorry that, like, if you can't see anything, I have my lights right here and then I'm back here, so I don't want to be like super close. And because I'm filming on my floor instead of at my vanity, because somebody said something about it's kind of hard to see because the light flushes me out. I know that. I'm sorry. I don't have much room to work with. You're going to have to bear with me until I find another area in my home to film, or I find another house. So please bear with me on that. Alright, and the last thing in my base box is the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. I have not tried this out yet. I want to, but see, I have a body scrub in my bathroom already, and I don't like opening up stuff until I finish it. I'm almost finished with it though, so I will be trying this one out soon. And this retails for $18. So out of my entire base box, I only paid $25, and I got, let me just get the calculator here. My base box is worth $134. Not bad for only spending 25 bucks on a box. Alright, so on to my premium box. I have opened this, like I said. However, I have not tried anything in here. I've just looked at it. So this is what it looks like. I'm not going to show you too much because I do want you to watch the whole video to see what I got. Okay, so the first thing on my card is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. And it retails for $49. And that is this baby right here. I haven't even opened it. I really hope it smells good. Got it. Okay, let me see here. Ooh, this jar is like really cold, but it's not in the shape of an avocado. I thought it would look like an avocado, no lie, but it doesn't. So this is what it looks like. It looks kind of like a cucumber, to be honest. Oh, it's got a little plastic thing on. I can't really smell anything. This is what it looks like in there. I'm bummed that it isn't in the shape of an avocado, but for $49, I haven't even opened my other pharmacy mask that I got from Boxy a couple months ago. It's still in my drawer. I haven't been feeling the greatest, which is why I haven't uploaded it. I haven't uploaded in a couple of days, but I'm sorry. I'm getting over whatever I had. I think I had a cold because all my symptoms are gone, so I definitely don't have a virus. I like to be special sometimes and take a shower and leave my hair wet with a fan and an air conditioner running, so call me special. Yeah. Alright, so anyways, next I got, ooh, right, I forgot I got this. This is the Tarte Pro Mix Amazonian Clay Palette. And this retails for a whopping $49. So this is a $49 eyeshadow palette. This palette alone pays for my box. So, this is what the box looks like. Wow. I haven't opened this, so I'm like, it's got like a, I don't even know what the hell this is called, but it moves. It's real sleek and nice. Whoop, sorry, blinded. Ooh. Alright, so you got a huge mirror in here. Hey. And this is the shades. I don't know if I should get closer. Yeah, I'll get closer. Okay, yeah, you can kind of see it if I come towards the light. So these are the shades. These are really, really pretty looking shades. This is honestly, I have a lot of palettes, so I might part with this palette. Next is this Power Matte Lip Pigment by NARS. I do believe this is the thing that I chose for my item. I didn't get to pick the shade, unfortunately, so I really hope I got the shade I wanted. I don't remember what it was called, but this one is called Call Me 2784. It's a weird name, but oh, this is the box, by the way. It looks like the color I wanted. I can't tell because it's like a frosted glass looking color. I don't think this is glass. No, I think it's plastic, but it's like frosted, so it's kind of hard to see the shade. Although this shade looks like the color I wanted, I don't know if it is though. Okay, moment of truth. It's not the shade I wanted. I mean, it's pretty, don't get me wrong. But like I told you, it's pink. It's this one right here, the top. It's real runny. I don't know if maybe I got like an old one. If I have to shake it? Do I have to shake a lip? Is this a lipstick or a lip pigment? I don't fucking know. It's real watery looking. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. But it has like a weird looking doe foot applicator on here, you know? That's what it looks like. Alright, next I got the, oh, and the lipstick was $26, by the way. Next I got the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Plus Energizing Face Masks 6-pack, which is this big ass box right here. Honestly, I haven't seen anybody actually get these in their box. Like, I've watched multiple videos because before I got my box, I was trying to figure out what I got because it weighed 3.8 pounds. So I was like, what the fuck did I get? I got face masks. You do get 6 of them. Obviously, they're not opened, as you see. And I'm not going to open them because I think I'm going to give these to my mom. But I will tell you what it says. It says, as we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes from accumulated exposure to environmental pollution, free radicals, and UV rays, which can cause our skin to lose its structure and strength. Grace and Stella's Anti-Wrinkle Plus Energizing Face Mask is designed to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production and rejuvenating your skin. And it retails for $25. I really hope the 6-pack retails for $25 instead of one individual mask, but so I got that. So I have 2 things left here. One of them is a brush. It is called the $1 Billion Brow Sculpting Duo Brush, and it retails for $30. This is the most expensive brush I have because I don't buy individual brushes unless they're really cheap. I have some Morphe brushes that are, you know, under 10 bucks. I bought the BH Cosmetics brush set for like 30 bucks. So I get more that way. $30 for one fucking brush? Anyways, my hairs are all fucked up on here. Look at the hair on here. It's like all messed up. You probably can't tell, but it's like sticking up. Let me see. You can kind of see it. You see the hair is sticking up? Yeah. It's soft, for sure. It definitely... Oh my, look at this hair. Can you see it? It's a little hair standing up. Probably not. But, it's soft. I mean, don't get me wrong, but would I buy this? No. Just saying. But thank you, Boxycharm. Right, and the very last thing in my premium box is this Living Proof Restore Instant Protection, and it is a weightless spray that adds shine while protecting your hair against the heat and the UV damage, and it retails for $28. So this is what the can looks like. It's a real pretty, like I want to say like a light lavender color, maybe. I'm not good describing colors, so if you don't think this is lavender or any kind of purple, I'm sorry. But it's like a purple can. It's pretty big. You get 188 ml, which is about 5.5 ounces. I haven't sprayed this, so I'm just gonna...
Oh, I'm not putting that in my hair.
That stinks. $28 for a stink bomb? I think not. Alright, so my premium box costed $35 this month, which is what it costs every month. However, my grand total and value of my box is actually $207. So do you get what you pay for? Absolutely. It's definitely worth it compared to Ipsy, which... However, this month they definitely surprised me and I was definitely impressed, not gonna lie. So, do I recommend Ipsy? I want to see how they do next month. However, do I recommend Boxy? Yes, and I absolutely recommend them every fucking month, not gonna lie. Alright, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Like always, I love you guys, and stay safe out there.